Hi. Aren't you adorable? Yeah. Tan preciosa. Oh, that was a big one. That was a big one.
Oh,
What's going
wow,
on,
qué bueno,
conejita?
conejita.
I like your little orange outfit. Isn't it cute? Yes, he's so cute. How was your day? What do we do today? Oh, yeah? Grocery shopping? Doctor's appointment? That was exciting. Oh, you're just sneezing up a storm today. Oh, wow. What's going on with that nose?